Deep in Southeast Asia, there's a place of amazing beauty and nature, a sanctuary that captivates the soul and mind. It's called the Phayayen-Khao Yai Forest Complex, a huge stretch of green land covering 140 miles of Thailand, teeming with life and wonder. It's hard to imagine how big this natural wonder really is, with its vast landscapes and endless horizons. In 2005, UNESCO named it a World Heritage Site because it's so important, recognizing its global significance. This means it's a special place that helps keep our planet healthy, a vital part of Earth's ecosystem. It's a safe haven for many plants and animals, some found nowhere else on the planet, making it irreplaceable. Its tall trees and hidden waterfalls tell stories of nature's strength and resilience, standing tall through the ages. And its clean rivers and streams help the land and people living both inside and outside the forest, providing life and sustenance. The Phayayen-Khao Yai Forest Complex shows us how powerful nature is, a testament to Earth's raw beauty. It feels like time stops here, with nature's rhythm guiding everything, a place where tranquility reigns. But even in this faraway paradise, humans are having an impact, leaving their mark on this pristine land. The future of this special place is uncertain, hanging in the balance as we face environmental challenges. It's our job to protect it for future generations, ensuring its survival and continued beauty. Come with us as we explore this amazing ecosystem, discover its secrets, and learn about the problems it faces, joining the fight to save it. The Phayayen-Khao Yai Forest Complex is bursting with life. It's like a colorful tapestry made of many different species. Each plant and animal has a special job, keeping this complex ecosystem in balance. Over 800 animal species live in this forest, showing how diverse it is. Among them are strong and impressive creatures like the tiger, hiding in the shadows as it hunts. Elephants, the gardeners of the forest, create open spaces while eating, changing the landscape for years to come. But it's not just the big animals that make this forest special. Many different birds fill the air with their songs. Gibbons swing through the trees, their calls echoing through the forest. And on the damp forest floor, insects, amphibians, and reptiles live their lives, playing a vital role in the forest's health. The Phayayen-Khao Yai Forest Complex is like a science lab for evolution. It's a place where life has thrived for a very long time, adapting to the changing environment. The Phayayen-Khao Yai Forest Complex is a land of giants. Trees, some taller than 160 feet, create a thick roof over the forest floor. These giant trees are the heart of this ecosystem, providing food and shelter for many creatures. Sunlight peeks through the leaves, creating a pattern of light and shadow on the ground. Thick vines climb up the tree trunks, searching for sunlight. And in the humid air, orchids and bromeliads grow on branches, their beautiful flowers showing how strong life is. The air buzzes with the sounds of insects, reminding us of the abundance of life. Butterflies with their colorful wings fly around, while dragonflies, like flying jewels, guard the streams and rivers. The Phayayen-Khao Yai Forest Complex shows us how nature creates beauty on a grand scale. It's a place where giant trees stand tall, and the air is filled with the sounds of life. The tall trees might be what you see first in the Phayayen-Khao Yai Forest Complex, but this place is much more than just trees. It's a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life and diversity. It has many different types of habitats, each with its own unique plants and animals. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a role in this intricate web of life. You can find everything from lowland rainforests to mountain forests, each with its own weather and plants. The variety of climate supports a wide range of species, making it a biodiversity hotspot. In the lowlands, it's hot and humid, with the forest floor covered in roots and vines. This dense undergrowth provides shelter and food for many animals. As you climb the mountains, it gets cooler and the plants change. The transition is gradual, with each elevation hosting different species adapted to the cooler temperatures. Oaks, chestnuts, and conifers replace the tall dipterocarp trees of the lowlands. These trees are crucial for the forest's health, providing habitat and food for various wildlife. Along the rivers and streams, special forests grow, their roots holding the soil and preventing erosion. These riparian zones are vital for maintaining water quality and supporting aquatic life. These important pathways help animals move through the forest, connecting different areas and keeping the ecosystem healthy. Wildlife corridors are essential for the survival of many species, allowing them to find food, mates, and new territories. And hidden deep within the forest are caves and limestone rocks, home to bats, swiftlets, and other creatures that live in the dark. These caves provide a unique habitat that supports a specialized community of organisms. These underground areas are important for the forest. They offer a refuge for species that thrive in darkness and contribute to the overall biodiversity of the region. They provide homes for bats, which help pollinate plants and control insects. Bats play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, ensuring the health and vitality of the forest. Section 5. The Pulse of the Monsoon. The Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex undergoes a dramatic transformation with the arrival of the monsoon season. From May to October, the southwest monsoon brings heavy rain, turning the landscape into a lush green paradise teeming with life. Rivers overflow their banks, waterfalls roar with newfound vigor, and the forest floor comes alive with the sounds of frogs and insects, creating a symphony of nature. This yearly flood is vital for the ecosystem, replenishing water sources and sustaining the diverse flora and fauna. It fills up water sources, nourishes the soil, and helps plants flower and fruit, ensuring the forest remains vibrant and healthy. The monsoon season is a time of plenty, a time for growth and new life, as plants and animals thrive in the abundant moisture. But the monsoon also brings challenges, testing the resilience of the forest and its inhabitants. Landslides can occur on steep hills, and flash floods can quickly rush through valleys, altering the landscape in an instant. The animals in the forest have learned to live with these extreme seasons, but their survival depends on the delicate balance of the ecosystem. As the monsoon season ends, the forest slowly dries, and life becomes calmer, transitioning into a period of rest. The dry season, from November to April, is a time for rest and recovery, allowing the forest to regain its strength and prepare for the next monsoon cycle, continuing the eternal rhythm of nature. The Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex is not empty. For many years, indigenous people have lived in harmony with this ecosystem, their lives connected to the forest's rhythm. These communities understand the forest and its creatures very well. They know how to hunt, gather, and farm in a way that doesn't harm the environment. Their knowledge is very important for conservation efforts because it helps us understand the complex web of life in this special place. Today, the forest is also protected by park rangers and conservationists who work hard to keep it safe. They patrol the forest, count animals, and teach visitors about the importance of conservation. These protectors of the forest face a difficult task. Illegal logging, poaching, and habitat loss threaten the balance of this ecosystem. But their dedication and passion give us hope that the Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex will continue to thrive for many years to come. Even though it's protected, the Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex faces many threats. Human activities are putting pressure on this once pristine wilderness. Illegal logging is still a big problem because people want valuable wood. Poachers, hunting for ivory, rhino horn, and other animal parts, are a constant danger to endangered species. And as the human population grows, the need for land for farming, roads, and other development is getting closer to the forest. Building roads and dams divides the forest, disrupting animal paths and isolating groups of animals. Pollution from farms and factories contaminates water, harming both wildlife and people. Climate change adds another challenge to the future of the Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex. Rising temperatures, changes in rainfall, and more extreme weather events could be disastrous for this delicate ecosystem. The Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex is at a turning point. The decisions we make today will determine its future. We need to act now before it's too late. We must teach people about the importance of this special ecosystem and the dangers it faces. We must support the work of conservation groups and individuals trying to protect the forest and its creatures. We must encourage responsible tourism that benefits both local communities and the environment. And we must work together to solve the problems of deforestation, poaching, and climate change. Everyone can help protect the Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex. Whether it's using less wood, supporting eco-friendly businesses, or simply telling others about the importance of conservation, our actions matter. The Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex is a global treasure, showing the beauty and diversity of our planet. It's a place of wonder and inspiration, a safe haven for many species, and a vital resource for millions of people. Protecting this amazing place is not just about saving nature. It's about protecting our own future. The health of our planet and the well-being of humanity are connected. By working together, we can make sure that the Phayayen-Khao Yai forest complex continues to thrive for generations to come. Let's be inspired by the strength of nature, the dedication of conservationists, and the hope that together we can make a difference. The future of this irreplaceable ecosystem is in our hands. Let's make the right choices.